Hi friends, it's cooking time!
I will cook meatballs. I know children would love this. Here are the ingredients. Ito ang ating ground pork, onions, garlic, breadcrumbs, flour, eggs, ground black pepper, salt, and carrots. Beat the eggs. Ngayon, haluin natin ang lahat ng ingredients sa isang mixing bowl. So we have to place all the ingredients in the mixing bowl and be sure that everything is thoroughly mixed. This kind of recipe is healthy because it is complete. It has vegetables and of course the meat. If you enjoy watching, kindly give your comments or suggestions in the comment section. Madali lamang itong lutuin. It's easy to make. You may add more seasoning according to your desired taste. Now let's add the beaten eggs. Ito ay nagpapasarap sa ating meatballs. Ngayon, magpo-form tayo ng small balls. Napakadaling gawin. Now it is up to you to decide how big is your meatball. So continue forming meatballs until you finish everything. Now we have to fry the meatballs. So we have to heat oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, it's time to fry the meatballs. Fry the meatballs until a little golden brown. Here are our delicious meatballs. Thanks for watching.